have now agreed to the agenda of taking up the special discussion on Pahalgam terror attack, on Operation Sindoor, and there is hope for the prospect of normalcy now returning to Parliament from Monday onwards. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, Home Minister Amit Shah, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar are expected to lead and to speak using the much anticipated debate to turn the heat on the opposition from Monday onwards, as the opposition bloc is now looking to corner the government over President Trump's continuous claims of mediating a ceasefire between India and Pakistan and policy flaws. Meanwhile, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has said that when will the Prime Minister speak on this issue, because that has been also yet another demand that has been made continuously by the opposition.
चर्चा के दौरान ऑपोजिशन पार्टी से कौन बोलेगा ये सरकार तय नहीं कर सकता है, और सरकार की ओर से कौन जवाब देंगे इसका तय विपक्ष नहीं कर सकते हैं। वो अपने अपने क्षेत्र में अपना अधिकार है कि सरकार में कौन बोलना चाहिए कौन नहीं बोलना चाहिए, ये विपक्ष तय नहीं करेंगे।
Well, Tetri, our time that has now been designated both in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha for the debate and discussion on Operation Sindoor.
Well, absolutely, 16 hours is the time that has been, designated for the discussion on Operation Sindoor, and from tomorrow that it will be the first, first time when the Parliament will be discussing on Operation Sindoor. However, again, we'll have to see that will the India bloc or the opposition leaders continue their protest as well, because they have been demanding that the Prime Minister first should clarify about Trump's intervention on the mediation that happened between India and Pakistan. However, India has been repeatedly denying the claim. All eyes on Monday that what happens, how government replies, who responds first on the Operation Sindoor. Back to you, Amita.
All right. So leading the government's charge is expected as far as Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, Home Minister Amit Shah, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar. Now it remains to be seen if all of the questions that are being raised by the opposition, will that be answered on part of the government. Tetri, another question that has been raised by the opposition, will the Prime Minister now also speak on the issue? Meanwhile, as far as questions continue to be raised on part of the opposition, as the government will be leading as far as when it comes to the debate and discussion in the House over Operation Sindoor next week onwards in the monsoon session of Parliament. Tetri, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.